We have some big breaking coming in. The Indian cricketers are now to travel together to Sydney. In fact, this means no isolation for 5 test players who were accused of COVID norm breach. Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant, Shubman Gill, Prithvi Shaw and Navdeep Saini's video of having dinner in Melbourne has gone viral, and post that they were asked to stay in isolation, even though Team India and BCCI maintained that there was no COVID norms breach. Meanwhile, Australian minister has now reacted strongly. The minister has said that Indian team should not play 4th test if the players are not willing to follow rules. Quite a harsh statement coming in from the Australian minister, despite Team India BCCI confirming that the players did not breach COVID protocols. Now news coming in that Indian cricketers will be travelling together to Sydney. They will be training together as well, which means no isolation for them.
Well, look, if the Indians don't want to play by the rules, don't come. Well, look, if the Indians don't want to play by the rules, don't come. Well, look, if the Indians don't want to play by the rules, don't come. Well, look, if the Indians don't want to play by the rules, don't come.
Let me quickly cut across to Boria joining us for more details on that. Boria, here we are looking at Australian minister speaking to the media, making an open statement, almost nagging at the Indian cricket team, saying that if they can't play by the rules, let them not play the match at all. Why such a harsh statement when it's quite clear that the BCCI has found out? Team India confirms that they have not breached COVID protocols. Have they found something else to which they're reacting?
If they've found something else, they need to put it out, Nabila, number one. If you're a politically elected political representative like the minister, the basic thing that you need to do is act responsibly. What is her source? If you read that statement, in her tweet, she says that she has heard that the Indian team has said that they will not follow protocols in Queensland. That is the context of the tweet during the 4th test. So the question here, threefold. One, who has told the minister that the Indian team will not follow protocols in Queensland? Has she heard it from the BCCI? No. Has she heard it from any of the touring Indian players? No. Has she heard it from the touring Indian management? No. What is her source? Is her source the Australian media?
Is this just complete hearsay then?
Absolutely. I mean, give me one source now. And I had tweeted sort of asking her to enlighten us a little bit more, that what is your source, ma'am? You're an elected representative. Give us your source. That has the BCCI said they will not follow protocol? Will the team management say they've not followed protocol? Will the players have said to you they've not followed protocol? So what's your source? Are you talking to us on the basis of certain Australian media reports that the Indian team doesn't want to follow protocol, etc.? If that is the case, ma'am, you need to know better. You're crossing the line. You're talking about bilateral relations between two countries. You must remember that by traveling to Australia to play this series, Indian Cricket Board and the Indian players have committed to Cricket Australia $300 million of revenue. So to say this, man, that don't come, please, for God's sake, if you don't want India to come, they won't come. But by going there, if they don't play the last 2 test matches, ma'am, you will lose $100 million, which will mean further unemployment for Cricket Australia. Great cricket will suffer. Bilateral relations will suffer. I think a little more responsibility and a little more sense should prevail on her part.
And surprisingly here, Boria, it's the health minister in Australia they're speaking. So she's really taken this upon... they've taken this upon themselves to make a statement, and a bold one, without actually having evidence. If they don't have evidence, how, with what right has she come out to condemn our players while they're on their turf?
Precisely, Nabila. Show me one instance. Show me one proof where the Indians are saying we will not adhere to protocols in Queensland. The Queensland test, by the way, starts 10 days from now. Right, or 13 days from now. So is there any evidence that you have? One minor statement also that you have, ma'am. Please tell us where Indian players, cricket board, official, management is on record saying we will not follow protocol in Queensland. These players have followed IPL protocols, lived in bio bubbles. There for 80 odd days, they've been to Australia on November 11th, Nabila.
Absolutely.
2 months. They have not broken protocol. Just now another one has come to light. 2 minutes back, the Australian media saying Virat broke protocol by going to a mall, and Hardik broke protocol by going inside a shop without a mask. Is this a joke of some sort going on now?
Was that true,
and they
or
are
was
saying
this
no
just
punishment
rumors
is likely.
and speculation?
This is them trying to get under the skin because they are nervous ahead of the third test match. They are nervous with the way the Indian team is playing. And let me tell you, this is what the Indian team feels also. I've spoken to
This
multiple
doesn't
players.
look. This totally looks like a story of sour grapes there, and it's surprising that the
Of
health
course.
minister falls prey to it.
And unbelievable. I mean, will Dr. Harshvardhan come and make a statement on the
Absolutely.
basis of one Australian media report or an Indian media report without corroborating? This is a joke. The other thing is, I am told by the Indian team management, and I'm putting this on record on India Today on your show, that the team will travel together to Sydney tomorrow. They have not been told
Excellent.
that anything bars them from traveling together. They have not been told that the 5 players cannot travel together. I actually asked, will they travel on a charter flight? Will they be left behind? Will they go with the team? Will they go together? All of these questions I was told, every question I was told, they will travel together. Now, 3 questions for Cricket Australia. Are the Indians traveling together? Is there a timeline to the investigation? What have you found in that investigation? Will the Indian team go together to Sydney? Will these 5 players be allowed to play? Why is there no response from Cricket Australia since? Every investigation in the world, Nabila,
Right.
has a timeline. Because a test match has to be played in 2 days.
Absolutely.
We need
It's
to
just
know.
days
From
ahead
what I
before
know,
the match, and these kind of allegations don't suit Australia. Clearly trying to get to the skin. The Indian cricket team, they're performing quite well. Boria, thank you very much for giving us those follow-up details. Here we understand that the team will be travelling together. 5 of those players who were said to be in isolation, now reports coming in confirming that they're going to be going with the squad together, training together, no isolation for them. So far, Australia has not been able to corroborate what they've said. Clearly, a story of sour grapes is the question.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.